Hey everyone, Michael here. Hope you guys are all having a fantastic day. Today we're going to be talking about Dogecoin. Unfortunately, last week it did break down, but before that, I do want to say a few words about our sponsor. Today's video is sponsored by Fairdesk, a premier crypto exchange specializing in futures, spot, and copy trading. Use my link to join today and enjoy special perks, including extremely low fees. Dive into the future of trading with Fairdesk, where you can copy the best traders around. All right, so we did see that Dogecoin did break down here at a pretty significant breakdown. At the most, it fell down about 27%, which is a huge drop for any cryptocurrency. We saw a ton of capitulations. Now, the good news for Dogecoin, which is very, very good, it did not break down below these lows we saw last year. There are a lot of altcoins that are looking a lot worse than Dogecoin. I really want to make sure you guys understand that. People have been making fun of Dogecoin because it did go so high last year, but in fact, Dogecoin is holding it very well compared to a lot of other tokens out there, especially over the past few weeks. Now, we did see this breakdown here. Fortunately for us, we did manage to hold a second level of support here from this trend line that kind of showed this more downward trend. The only thing I want you guys to focus on as far as that's concerned, we even managed to hold on the daily chart, which I think was really good. Excuse me, at this point, I think Bitcoin wants to have a nice bounce. So I could see Dogecoin going back up here to at least 6.5 cents. I'm not saying Dogecoin is going to do something really great, but this may be a good opportunity for some of you guys that are looking for a more positive move or just looking to buy and make a short-term profit as far as spot trading is concerned, okay? Now, here are a few things you guys need to know going forward. Dogecoin is still in this downward trend. This downward trend definitely overtook this more aggressive upward trend. So unfortunately for us, we're going to have to get rid of this. Now, that next level of support that we're going to be looking for as far as Dogecoin is concerned, it's going to go back over here a little bit, and it's probably just going to go all the way across here to, let's say, about August, September. We're looking at the bottom level of support being around 0.49, or excuse me, 0.04949, and then the high point here going to be around 0.055. So that's a pretty decent buying zone. So far, it's worked out once, but I mean, it would have been pretty hard to try to buy into a very scary moment in the crypto world, as I'm sure a lot of you guys know. You guys can see on the 15-minute chart, Dogecoin just dumped, so most of you guys would have had to have some type of limit orders ready to trigger here and sell for a short-term profit, or maybe some of you guys are holding a little bit longer, waiting for the big boost that's going to take us back up here again towards about 6.5 cents. Nothing crazy, but it should be a pretty good opportunity to make some money. Going forward here, I do think it's important to take a look at the monthly chart. We're not going to look at this too often. I want you guys just to understand what you guys are seeing here. Dogecoin has come down a lot, but we've been stagnating here. Let's call it from June of last year. That's pretty good. We haven't seen any major drop-offs. We haven't made any new lows. If you guys go over here to a bunch of other tokens, you guys are going to see they keep on making new lows here. And some of those levels we saw back over here, like June, where was that at? Yeah. We're way lower than those levels. So this is Ape token. You got Matic over here. This thing has had a really nice pop. This thing actually had a pretty crazy drop. But you guys can see as well some really big breakdowns and breaking down below some of those levels we saw last. Was this? No, this is July, June lows over here. But we're breaking down below those support levels. As long as Dogecoin continues to hold up and Elon Musk continues to give us some tweets every now and again, it looks like Dogecoin should be fine for the next few weeks. Just be careful, everybody. If this market continues to go down in kind of a more bearish tone, we will see Dogecoin going back over here to some of these lows we saw, about 4 cents. That's going to be a devastating feeling for a lot of people out there. So just, be prepared to be able to buy some Dogecoin cheap. But if you guys are buying right now, understand the safest plan is usually going to be to do some dollar cost averaging. Hope you guys all have a good rest of your day, and let me know if you guys have any questions.